Oh, this one looks interesting. Looks like it's going up, but it's after a red candle. Let me see. What is this one? 72. Wow. Should we go with STARL? It looks like it's a full candle, but this one is quite this is a red candle shortly after it. So I'm not sure whether I want to go for it. Let me just keep my eye on it. Let's see where it is currently. It's at 4012. 4012. It went down again. 408. No, I don't know about this one. Can you see it's going down? It's quite volatile. Is at 4,000. No, I don't think I want to take this, but I can come back and check. STARL. I like the name, but that's not the reason why I'm taking it. It has to be profitable. If it's not profitable, what are we doing with it? It's at 4005. I don't know, but I can take this one. Or I should just keep on waiting. It's not going up. That's what I'm seeing now. As you can see, it's not going up. Can you see it's not going up? It's actually going down. So the best thing is just to leave it for now. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Let me check what's going on with these other ones. Let us see. I think I saw CGL. That might have moved up. Oh, no, not this one. City. No. They're all having this red zone on top of it. That means that they've moved up for a while. Luna, we've taken Luna. No. We've taken Luna CFX. I think we've taken. No, that's not working. ACH. CFG. I saw one that was looking okay. I think this one is going up. It looks like it's going up. You remember it was 015 something, so now it looks like it's going up. Okay, I may come back and take CFG. CFG may look like it because it's at 66, 65 at this point. POR. So CFG is looking like it. GR, LSK, I'm not sure about that. I know. Let's just keep on checking. This is the work we've got to do, guys. May look like it's boring work, but that's what we got to do. STARL, are you going up? It looks like STARL is going up. Would I go for STARL? If I'm looking at the two, which one would I go for? STARL looks like it's going up, people. But the only thing that is scaring me as I speak is this red candle. And it's at 72. Is this red candle? Let me come back. Friend, time is my friend. Let me just come back. It's going up, people. It looks like it's going up. It's going up, people. I think I should just take it. It looks like the best option out of all of them so far. STARL, it looks like it's going to be a rising star. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. Let's go ahead and pick this. All right. So I'm picking $20. I'm picking 20. Let's see how we can pick. Let's pick on that. Okay, let's go. STARL. Let's see. Order placed. Did we buy it? Looks like we bought it, people. We bought it. We bought it, people. We bought it. Okay, let's go for sell. I love the fact that this is pink, it's not red. But no problems. It has gone down a bit. Yeah, but we will wait for it. Do we have a choice? No, we don't. So we're going to wait for it, people. Yeah. So currently is at what? Let's put this at 401. Let's see. What's that going to give us? Let me see. That's not giving us anything. 403. Okay. Let's see. 408 or 409. Okay. So this one should come to 41. Okay. 411. I think I'm good with this one. 20.46. Let's go with it. 2.3. So we're currently in the trade, people. We're currently in the trade. Let's go and see what we are getting here. So STARL, Looks like our rising star. It's currently at 4013 and we are going to 411. Let's hope that will happen pretty soon, sooner than we expect. Okay, so 411, we are trusting that this will rise up. STARL got executed way before the others, which was awesome. Which was awesome. As you can see, it was awesome, right? So it got executed. And as you can see there, we have our trade in, but it's currently looking like in the green, but I mean, it's in the red, kind of pinkish. It's now in the green. Okay, so see what we made. We made 20.45. Awesome. Okay, 20.45 is like, well, 2.25, but I'll go check it out. Let's check currently what's going on in the trade, and let's see what's happening in the charts. It's going down. It hit our target and now it's going down. Hit our target. In fact, it went to what? It went to 04242, people. You know, I was concerned that it would get to 411. It got there, it hit it, it went beyond it to 42. Awesome. Awesome, people. Can you see that we could have actually put 3%, 4% and still made it? But for now, it's always better to be on the conservative side, especially when, you know, Bitcoin is still trying to gather momentum. So you don't want to be trying, you know, being too adventurous. So it hit it, went beyond, but we're good. We have our money back. Not just money back, we have profit, as you can see. So let's go calculate that. That's 2.25%. 2.25%, as you can see here, that is STARL. Yes, STARL. Star plus L, STARL. Okay, so that's it. Let's go back in there, and then now the best thing ever is to move out our profit. Okay, let's quickly do that. That's what we're doing, about to do, and we're gonna just transfer our profit. Okay, we'll do that from trading to funding, and then we put in the max and send it out. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, people, right? You make money, you send your profit away. Or you can decide to compound it. I mean, people do that, but I don't like to do that because then it makes everything messy. All right, so here we are. Clean and clear. So right now we've talked about all our 4 executed trades. So let's get back in there and go and pick more trades. Let's start with our darling Binance. Okay, so we're gonna be currently on the gainer. So let me see what's happening. I'll just quickly reveal. Pick up one trade as usual, just one trade each, because we don't have other monies to do that in Binance. All our other trades are actually on their way to getting executed, but we just have to wait. All right. So currently this is not what I can take, so I'm gonna wait for it. I am gonna wait, and I think it's even beyond 80. You can see that. Yeah, in fact, it already shows it's 85. No, it's already going down.